Okay, welcome to video number 44 of the Diaries of a Coronavirologist YouTube channel. Today's the 2nd of December and we are up to about 63.4 million confirmed cases of COVID-19 around the world and about 1.5 million confirmed deaths. So this is actually video number 44 part A, and I'm going to put part B up tomorrow. But I just wanted to do a quick one today. So, as you may have seen, the UK today announced that they are approving the distribution of the Pfizer BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine, which is really great news. So this is an mRNA vaccine that was produced by the German biotech company BioNTech, and it's being produced in collaboration with Pfizer, who are helping with the clinical trials and the further wider distribution. So it's really great news to see that it's being approved for usage in the UK. There's also applications for use in the United States and the EU, and I'm sure they will be approved as well because everyone's looking at the same data sets. Now, part B of this video, which I'm going to post tomorrow, is taking a much longer and deeper look at that vaccine. So what it is and various aspects and questions around it. Is it rushed? How long term is the immunity? And similar questions. All those things I've talked about at various different places in the channel. So for regular viewers of the channel, it may seem a little bit like a clips episode, but I wanted to put it all together and be a sort of an encompassing video about the approval of this vaccine, because I feel like that's timely and important information to have available to share while people are thinking about this vaccine getting its approval. But what I wanted to do in this quick video, part A of the video, is just celebrate the fact that a vaccine has been produced in under a year and it's been shown to be safe and effective in humans. This is an amazing feat for science. We've never produced a vaccine so rapidly. And just to jump to what I'll say in the video tomorrow, that I'll post tomorrow, it isn't rushed. It's rapid, but it's not rushed. If we just stop and think for a second, this time last year, we didn't know that SARS-CoV-2 existed. There are probably people infected with it around this time last year, but we didn't know about it until January this year. The first case reported was at the end of December 2019. So to be able to produce a vaccine in under a year that has been shown to be safe and effective is just incredible. But not only is it great for tackling COVID-19 and the pandemic we're currently dealing with, it's really good news for future as well. This vaccine is mRNA, and it's the first mRNA vaccine that's been shown to be safe and effective in humans. What's great about that is it's a lot easier to manipulate and to change mRNA vaccines than it is to produce the more classical vaccines that we've used in the past. So things like chemically inactivating a virus and then putting that into you to trigger an immune response, that's a bit harder to do safely and effectively than it would be to change these vaccines. So, for example, this vaccine we currently have is the mRNA that produces the spike protein to the SARS-2 coronavirus, so that our bodies produce antibodies to the spike to inhibit infection by SARS-2. Should there ever occur a SARS-3 or a MERS-2, that mRNA could just be changed to be the spike sequence for those viruses. It could also be changed to be the hemagglutinin protein from influenzas. That's the equivalent protein, just with a different name. So showing that this technology can work, showing that it's safe, showing it's effective is really promising for our ability to produce vaccines in the future. There will be future pandemics. It's an almost certainty. But if we can produce vaccines in under a year and show that they work, show that they're safe, this is really good. So I just wanted to, in this video, talk a little bit about that fact that this is not only great for dealing with COVID-19, but it's also great for the next thing that may come along. And when it does come along, we've now got a whole new tool in our arsenal to combat the viral infections, which is very exciting. And that's all I really want to say in this video. I want to keep this one fairly short, as recently I've been doing much longer videos than I really intended to. So just highlighting the fact that this is great news for today and for COVID-19 and also potentially for the future. I'm going to put up the much longer discussion on Pfizer BioNTech vaccine and various things around it tomorrow. As I say, it's things I've talked about at various different places in the channel, and it may seem familiar to regular viewers, but I wanted to put it all together in one video so that it's there for people who are curious about this vaccine and its approval. It's obviously hitting all the headlines everywhere. So having a video out there seemed timely and a good source of information. Anyway, that's all I'll say. So thank you for watching. As always, for the YouTube metrics, please drop a like. And I'd say normally leave questions and comments down below, but maybe save those for the video I'll post tomorrow. So thanks for watching, and as always, stay safe, wash your hands, wear a mask, and keep calm and carry on. We will get through this pandemic, especially when vaccines are here to help.